Did you know your birth certificate might be lying to you? That's right. While your chronological age, the number of candles on your birthday cake, is fixed, your biological age, the true age of your cells, is not. In fact, it can be reversed. Today, we're diving deep into the world of biohacking to reveal 5 powerful secrets that can turn back your internal clock, helping you look and feel years, even decades, younger. Forget what you think you know about aging, because we're about to rewrite the rules. First up, let us talk about a process that sounds like science fiction, but is happening inside your body right now: autophagy. Think of it as your body's ultimate spring cleaning or cellular recycling program. This isn't just about losing a few pounds. This is about deep cellular renewal from the inside out. It's one of the most effective ways to tell your body, hey, let's get rid of the old junk and build a younger, stronger version of me. And the best part? It's completely free. All it takes is a little discipline to change when you eat, not necessarily what you eat. Next, we're going to embrace the chill with a secret used by elite athletes and top biohackers: cold thermogenesis. I know what you're thinking: why on earth would I want to be cold? The answer is simple: for its incredible anti-aging benefits. Taking a quick 2-minute cold shower, or, if you're feeling brave, a full-on ice bath, does wonders for your biology. This shock of cold stimulates something called mitochondrial biogenesis, which is a fancy way of saying it creates new, more efficient energy factories within your cells. This process not only boosts your metabolism, helping you burn fat more effectively, but it's also a powerful tool against inflammation. Inflammation is often called the silent killer because it is a root cause of so many age-related diseases. Cold exposure helps to shut it down, reduce puffiness, and even tightens your skin, giving you a natural, youthful glow. It might feel uncomfortable for a moment, but those few minutes of discomfort deliver anti-aging benefits that can last a lifetime. If you truly want to reverse your biological age, you have to master your circadian rhythm. This is your body's internal 24-hour clock that governs everything from hormone release to cell repair. Modern life, with its constant exposure to artificial light, has thrown our rhythms completely out of whack. To fix this, start by blocking blue light after sunset. This decline means our bodies become less efficient at repairing DNA damage caused by daily life, leading to the classic signs of aging.